Welcome to my tutorial on how to disable and re-enable Grammarly in Google Docs. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how you can turn off Grammarly inside Google Docs. So I can tell that it's on because I have the Grammarly icon in the bottom right hand corner, and there's also an icon from the extension up top beside the Omnibar. Now if you don't see your Grammarly extension here, you can go into the extensions and then just click on the push pin to keep it at the top. So now I'm going to turn it off by going to my extension at the top. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to go to the quick settings and I'm going to toggle off this switch, and this will turn off Grammarly within this document. So now I'm going to add some text in here that I already created and paste it in. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn on Grammarly because we're going to use Grammarly as a tool. So now we've done our writing and now we want Grammarly to help us. So let's go ahead and go back to the top and we're going to click that toggle switch again and turn on Grammarly. And now you're going to see that Grammarly is going to give me a suggestion based on what I've already written. So now if I go to the bottom here, I can open up Grammarly and it's going to tell me that I spelt the word Grammarly incorrect, and I can correct this by accepting this into my document. So let's create a mystery editor challenge. So in our first step, we're going to build excitement and we're going to introduce a mystery editor who will be reviewing our work. This editor is going to be Grammarly. It's super smart, but sometimes it's a bit strict. So their job is to find areas where the writing could be clearer or more interesting. So the second step of our challenge we're going to call Beat the Editor. So we're going to have our students write a first draft with Grammarly turned off. So we're going to frame it as a fun challenge to see how well they can do on their own before the mystery editor gives them feedback. We want to emphasize that everyone makes mistakes and it's all part of the learning process. And finally, we're going to have our students team up with the editor. So we're going to have them turn Grammarly back on and see what the mystery editor suggests. So let's discuss how Grammarly suggestions can help them improve their writing.